Greetings punters, Ben here, and we are going to be drawing Grail Punt. Pretty sure that should be 852, which is Kevin's Secret Wars number 8. Alright. We are live. And current time is 6:40 PM. World clock says 6:40 PM. Alright. Dice roll. Let's go see how many we have. Alrighty, 88 spots. Tyler 88. And Beatty at number 1. Just confirm 88 spots. Alrighty, Stephen at 1. Yep. Looking for dodgy entries and rows. Looks pretty good. Alrighty, there we go. Just backspace, 88 spots. 3 dice roll. Oh, look at that. 12. 4, 4, 4. 8 is 12. Let's do it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alrighty, so we have rolled 10 times of 12, means we've got 2 left to go. So penultimate, number 11, here we go. It's 11 times, which means the next one is for the winner. Good luck everybody. Here we go. Oh, there we go, 12 times. Let's go and see who our winner is. And it is, can't be Kevin. And Mr. Beatty remains on top. Congratulations, sir. Alrighty, get in contact with Kevin to claim your book. And we are done. Thanks for playing, everybody. Catch you next time.